Amas que soy matemático, sumo las ganas y restamos la ropa. Yo soy tu lunático, loquito por esa boca. Amas que soy matemático, sumo las ganas y restamos la ropa. Yo soy tu lunático, loco por lo que me toca.
It's a sad day. We're leaving here.
We are saying adios to Coson, you guys.
Vaya con Dios, Lopezon.
Packing up. And you better believe I'm bringing
Yeah, and we got to take the other ones inside of there.
We are taking full advantage of the all-inclusive.
Yes. What is it? It's like a Friends episode. He takes like the toilet paper and stuff.
Oh my gosh, I know. Okay.
Look, everything's all packed up.
I know, we're almost there. We didn't really unpack much because
Yeah.
we knew we were only going to be here a few days.
Yeah.
So luckily pack-up's been going pretty good.
But we were very excited because where we're going next is very picturesque, very beautiful, very adventurous, very exciting, also extremely new.
And very different from Cana.
Extremely different.
Yes.
And so where we're going to be renting a car. It's about a 4-hour drive on brand new roads, places we've never been before, and it's all in Spanish.
And just the two of us, you guys.
So luckily we're gonna really just bank on Google Maps on getting us there.
You guys, I'm a little bit nervous how today's gonna go,
Yeah,
but it should be an adventure nonetheless. You know, it should be fun.
I know.
So checkout is at noon, so we actually have about 10 minutes before we have to be completely out of here. But it has been so much fun.
Amazing.
We loved our time
Yeah.
here. It's gonna be sad to say goodbye to this.
Goodbye.
You guys, we
I know.
lucked out with the weather.
We really did. The weather's been pristine.
I mean, look at this.
Look at that.
It's just absolutely beautiful. Also, I should say really quick update, you guys. You may have noticed our vlogs have not been coming out every day. Huge shout out to Jared because he is taking so many hours out of our vacation to do the videos because we want to share all this with you.
Yes.
But at the same time, the internet has been the best, so we're not going to stress it.
So make sure you guys are following us over on our community page here on YouTube because we'll probably post up on there like if we're going to do anything differently.
That allows Jared to still enjoy it, take up the time, but also edit and not stress so much.
But and we'll still film every day.
Oh yeah. In the meantime, guys, I will try and upload some fun shorts as well to kind of, because those are so easy to just throw up there as well to kind of keep
also,
you updated.
Brittany's been doing a ton of Instagram stories that are a lot of fun. So if you guys aren't following us over there, I mean, they're just so much fun. We just really have fun.
I know, you guys, we've had so much fun, and that's what this vacation's about. Honestly, just relaxing, having fun. We cannot wait to go see the rest of the DR, kind of get outside of the resort area. Let's pack up and hit the road. Okay, we just got finished up at the car rental place. Gotta get the lowdown, well, ready or not. I think we're gonna be headed on a road trip of our lifetime.
4 hours.
This is exciting. We're a little nervous. I don't know if you can tell by our voices. Driving over here, the road was a little crazy.
You know what? Brittany's making fun of me right now.
I'm not. I was just about to say something super nice, actually, babe.
Oh, okay.
So we just got in the car. It's great, big size, which is awesome.
Yes.
The only thing they have though is, what is this called? Like the...
It's a little socket thingy.
Little socket.
Yeah.
There's no other chargers, so
cigarette lighter thing.
But Jared's like, I prepared for this.
I
Look
did.
at that.
Look, huh?
Oh my gosh, babe. He had his little grocery bag full of all the cords. So we came to the rental car place right next to the Punta Cana airport. Here's a little tip though. They did make us pay for insurance. I mean, we could have said no to insurance, I guess, but the insurance was more than the original price of the rental car. So keep that in mind. And when you're booking it online, because we booked for standard protection when we booked it, it was like $14 a day extra. And we did that. And then they said here, that doesn't apply, and so we had to pay an extra like $35 a day. So if you're booking online, don't book the insurance, just wait till you're here because you'll probably have to pay that anyway. So fun little tip for you. We're at our first little stop and we do not know what to do. Maybe Paso Rapido, this
Rapido's fast.
Yeah, like fast pass. I bet that's what that is. We don't have that. So we're gonna need to go in the blue slow.
Yeah.
We're just using our best judgment. You guys, we left our translator thing at home and we were so sad about it.
We don't have it.
We haven't needed it in Punta Cana, but I think we may need it more of this part.
Very soon.
So we will see.
I'm gonna get change.
Yeah, you should get 40 pesos back.
Gracias.
Whoa, we just got our first
money!
Dominican money. What are these? Whoa, that's kind of
Look
cool.
at that.
So we got, I think this is $1 in the pesos.
I think so, yeah.
I don't know, 100. And we even got a coin. I heard you use Google Translate to see what that sign meant, and it was cash payment, and the other one was the fast pass. So we were right. We
Doing good.
used our common sense, you know? We are making our first official stop at the gas station in the middle of the highway here, so.
Hopefully this is right. Only 293 pesos. Seems like a lot.
Whoa, and there was, is that the line for the station?
I think so.
Babe, it says In-N-Out. Does that mean there's In-N-Out
Hey,
burgers?
In-N-Out burger. Nice. Where's the gas
We're
can?
joking, you guys. This is cool. I love experiencing other cultures and countries. This is so cool. Little update, Britt. Oh my gosh, did you see that?
Yeah.
That was so close. Okay, so we have been driving on like their main highways, but then now GPS put us on this little side road.
I have no idea where we are.
We are surrounded on both sides of trees. It's just a ton of farmland around here. We've gone through some really beautiful sections where it's like open grassland, farmland, and then you see the mountains in the distance. There was one point we went through this really cool bridge that oversaw, like it was the inlet to the ocean on one side and then a river like going into the mountains on the other side.
Yeah.
That was really cool.
There are a lot of potholes on this
Yes,
road.
and let's just say a lot of passing is going on, so it's a little shaky.
It's like a borderline video
So
game.
you should literally see cars just will zoom past you on this side, but oncoming cars are coming too. This is definitely an adventure right now. So far, so good. No major hiccups. We are getting a little bit closer to Santo Domingo. So right now we're driving along kind of the coastline. And
a bunch of farmland.
Oh yeah, so check out like out here. Look how beautiful that is. It's so lush and green.
Reminds me of Kauai a little bit.
It does a little bit, and Puerto Rico. We were saying obviously it neighbors Puerto Rico, so I think there's a lot of similarities to both of them. So we're almost to Santo Domingo, and then from there we cut up through the entire country. So we do a straight shot up through the middle of the country.
We're gonna experience the west, the south, the mid, and then the north.
All of it, you guys. And it's been breaking my heart. So there's a lot of like farm animals out here, and there's like fences, but we keep seeing so many like cows and horses on the outside of the fences right by the roads. And I'm like, these poor animals. I'm like, how are they gonna get back into their pastures? I'm so worried about them. In the mountains in the Dominican Republic, you guys, and it is gorgeous. As we are driving through here, it's just like, it kind of feels like we've been talking a little bit Hawaii-ish, definitely Puerto Rico feeling, but it is just green and lush everywhere, as you can tell.
Really pretty.
Oh, look at this little fruit stand right here. We drove through a ton of little villages as well, which has been really cool to see. Another little tip if you are on this road trip ever in your life.
Yeah, if you ever happen to drive, you know, from Santo Domingo to where we're going.
If ever you find yourself in the middle of the DR, so bring a lot of cash because there are so many tolls that you have to pay to go through.
Yeah, there's tons of them.
There's a lot of them. They were taking dollars and they'd give us pesos back.
which is awesome.
Which was great. Also stop for gas before you head on this road that cuts through the middle of the country.
Yeah, so just make sure you have a full tank of gas. And you probably want to refill, like start looking for refill places around like half a tank.
Yes.
Because the gas stations are very much few and far between.
Yes, and also be prepared for a very exciting ride because cars don't really pay attention to any rules out here. It's like free game. There's motorcycles everywhere, animals everywhere. It's definitely been an adventure. We are loving it though. Like just the beauty that we are seeing right now is unreal. It's
you're
so
definitely out here in like the middle of nowhere. Very remote. That's another thing to remember is that you probably want to download the map like prior to driving. That way, just in case you like lose directions or anything like that, at least you have the map in order to get like out of here.
Yes, yes, service is not the best.
Service is pretty much non-existent.
I love those. Seriously, like look at the mountains that are just like the sheer cliffs right here on both. Oh yeah, see this guy? Here we go. Oh my gosh, an oncoming traffic. Is he gonna make it?
I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, there's oncoming traffic.
He made it. That one was easy, but the motorcycles literally like skim through. It is so crazy. Holy cow!
Well, I think it's safe to say we're not in Punta Cana anymore.
Oh my gosh, it feels like we are in another country, you guys. Check out this view right now.
Guys, this is
holy cow!
Truly unbelievable.
Babe, oh my gosh, I hope this is capturing it. Look at this coastline right here. We're up in the jungle, in the mountains.
This is incredible. Literally incredible.
Holy cow, I'm speechless right now. We just went through a rainstorm. That way you can see how it's cloudy, but the sun is shining on the beautiful water. I think that's right where we're heading, down there.
So, yeah.
It's only about another 20 minutes from here. We had to pull off to the side though, just to show you. We're up on the top of a rock right now. So it feels like
this is
Hawaii,
amazing.
or kind of, I don't even know.
Yeah, it feels like Hawaii and like St. Thomas a little bit. But that, I think, is where we're going, right around there.
There's the beaches. Do you see all the palm trees that line this, you guys?
Do you see the homes down there? Look at this one. There's also one over there. Wow.
So different.
This is unreal.
Cana. This feels so much more remote.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Amazing.
This is amazing.
We're all checked in, baby.
Our new home for the next, what, 5 days? 4
yeah,
days?
4 days.
5 days?
I know.
You guys.
Oh my gosh, you're happy.
Really vlog getting all checked in down in the reception. They were actually awesome.
Yeah, they were super cool.
We were planning some different excursions, which we are
so excited about.
So we were in Las Terrenas. I think I'm saying that right.
I think that we're saying that right. And we were staying at the Viva Samana by Wyndham.
By Wyndham.
And this is the room we got.
It's beautiful, you
It
guys.
is very beautiful.
It smells amazing.
It does smell like a spa in
Everything
here.
you need.
Yeah.
And this view, oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh. This is incredible.
Well, it's totally gonna be Hawaii vibes right now. It is so just like.
This is unreal.
Included. I love all the palm trees right here. The beach looks awesome.
That's the pool right there. That's pretty cool.
And I'm kind of seeing on the ocean, I'm not seeing any seaweed, at least from this point.
Oh my gosh, you need to go down there.
Fingers crossed. Yeah, we're gonna run down there. We are starving.
Yeah, we're gonna go get some food.
A real meal all day.
Get settled in. Check it back in with you guys later.
Te encanta cuando el bebé tuyo a ti te canta en la madrugada. Te encanta, eres exótica como Fanta en la madrugada. Conmigo baby toda la noche. Sé que estás tranca, yo también espero que se note. Yeah, baby presiento que tú eres lo llamado felicidad. Que hasta la cama la ponemos a temblar. Tus padres hablan, pero no saben nada más. Lo que tú sientes conmigo, adrenalina, baby, dándote castigo. Yeah, pues baby, pa' que sigo. Si no escuchan lo que digo, es de nosotros saber cómo va. Mi amor, tocándonos y sé
Down to the beach in time for sunset, you guys. Remember?
This is incredible, literally incredible. Look at this.
This beach
like a Bob Ross painting.
Is unbelievable. We got here right in time for sunset. Jared's flying the drone right now to hurry and capture it.
I just had to take the drone out. I mean, it's just too pretty not to.
Guys, look at this. It is absolutely beautiful. No seaweed in sight right now. Just nice white beaches. You got the dry sand up here, all these cute little like huts, and then the palm trees. Oh my gosh, look at the clouds. This is unbelievable. I think we were both shocked when we walked out here.
I know.
Just like how pretty this is.
It's
just the gentle little waves rolling in.
Just incredible.
Wow. I'm glad we hurry ran out there to catch the first sunset here in Samaná. I know. It's so pretty. It's so different than Punta Cana.
Oh, it's so different.
It's kind of like, I feel like in Hawaii, you know how you go to Oahu, more like touristy,
yeah,
and then
like
you
Waikiki's super touristy, and go to the North Shore, and it's completely different.
And then it's different. That's kind of how this feels right now. Look at the hammocks everywhere. Oh my gosh.
So pretty, like all these palm trees.
And I'm trying to show you
right
behind
up against. Make sure you guys follow us over on Instagram because this is like a perfect Instagram spot.
That sunset.
Yeah. Wow.
Like, are you kidding me right now? I'm gonna try and focus. It is. It's getting better. Wow.
Every single time.
If I wasn't so hungry, I'd be sitting out there right now.
Okay, I promise we are going to go eat, but we just keep getting stopped by how beautiful everything is here. Look at this. That's the pool. That's the ocean. Look at all the palm trees.
If you guys are more into
at sunset.
If you guys are more into smaller, more quaint resorts,
yeah,
this is more your style.
Yeah, 100%.
Massive, like going from the massive one in Punta Cana
to this. Oh, night and day. Yeah.
Difference.
But this is just awesome.
Both so awesome.
Love this. Yeah. So picturesque.
It looks like it has bubbles in the jacuzzis like going on everywhere.
Love it. Well, just finished up at the delicious buffet, and now we're just kind of closing out the night.
See us.
Can't see us at all, so we'll go up to the room, but this is beautiful right now.
We'll give you all the details on this resort another day. Make sure you come back tomorrow. We are going on the most incredible excursion.
It's going to be amazing.
We're going to 3 different beaches, and we cannot wait to take you guys all along with us. So with that, we're going to go ahead and close out today's video. You guys, we love you so much, and we'll see you all next time.
See you guys, love you. Bye.